Hey guys, how's everything going? Let's take a look at number 83, remove duplicates from sorted list. We're given a sorted linked list, delete all the duplicates such as each elements appear only once. Actually, we have done a more difficult one, which is 82, which there's a more detailed conditions, but now we only need to check if there's only one occurrence of the element. So allow me to just return to number 82, which we remove totally. Remove the numbers which have duplicates like 3. Remove them totally. Right now, here we need to keep. We make them unique, but not remove them all. So I think that it would be a similar solution. So I'll just copy paste the code here. Okay, we will do the same. We'll create a new empty head and travel through the keep one pointer to cursor. One is the original linked list, the other one is the new linked list. Okay, so when we are here, actually we don't need to keep we use a temporary array to keep track of the previous node and the account, but now we don't need to keep an account, right? We only need to compare the values. So I'll say let temp equals head dot value, or we don't need to. Oh, wait a minute. We don't need to keep that value. We can use we can use just p2, right? Okay, because hmm, should we use p2? Okay. Yeah, we just to do some modifications. Okay. New star next equals head. Okay, now let's say the p2 equals head. Okay, and so now the p2 equals the head, and the p1 is to the next one if p1 is there, and if if it is the same as the number is the same as the previous p2, p2 we just skip, right? Okay, so if p1's val equals p2's val, then we just skip. And if it is different, we will move, right? We will create a new node to append. Not create a new node, just set the new next for p2. Okay, so p2 should be p2 equals p1. p2 equals p2's next, and okay, that's done. And p1 will be the next one. Okay, so and the while loop will be done. And shall we check the for here we need to end the p2, right? If there's always, like for the case for all twos, the p2 will end at the first two, and yeah, let's say p2's next equals null. Okay, now we start. Cool. Let's run the code. I hope there will be a one pass. Submit. The time and space, the time. Oh, okay, we're accepted. So this just pay attention that we need to terminate the linked list. We're not creating a new node. We just create a new link. So we need to terminate the link, not the node. Okay. The time, we have only one pass of the p1 or the first cursor, which will traverse the linked list, and the space we use nothing but 2 pointers to keep track of the cursor. So with the extra new node, so it's basically constant. So yeah, that's all for this problem. So I hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will put more videos there. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.